Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to today's bald rEagle video. We are getting ready to load this sucker up and go put it on the dyno. We are just hoping and praying that this engine is as healthy as it seems. That it's not smoking, it's not knocking, it's not making any noise. And for having 622,000 miles, got our fingers crossed, but it seems like it's gonna go good. I know a lot of you guessed on horsepower on the last video. We'll see how it goes out today. In the meantime, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoy the video.
See how fast you can go.
Oh, no, there he is, sucked in there.
Yeah, that's what's gonna happen.
Yeah, I don't know what it's gonna do because the converter to me is the big question. We've never really
What
driven
converter's
it.
in it?
It's like a $200 All-Star converter or some
Jesus.
garbage.
So you don't even know. Yeah, no one. You've probably driven it the most, honestly, around the parking lot.
Yeah, that's true. I did 2 laps.
It's the most it's been driven. You put the most miles on it.
Yeah, most moving miles at least.
She's a Laker.
Glad rEagle V2's getting a big one. Somebody with a big one.
Let's check the timing. Is that? Yeah, we're gonna put it to number
Fan
1.
right here.
Oh, okay.
Come on,
Pretty
you're
good.
not fucking stupid.
Who knows? Timing?
Oh, it's Cody. I'm like, who's got something else?
Yeah, call it.
I'm gonna lock
Oh,
it.
there's Brock.
Yep. And then it should line up to 0, which is 18 or whatever. It's marked on the front of the balancer.
It's what, 18?
18 or something.
Okay.
Do you see the black? There's a black terminal marker line on the white.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Party.
If that's on 20, and once I get it set to 20, that
Actually,
should
I
be
think we can
lined up.
Okay.
take the aluminum thing down. What's happening?
I don't know.
Alright.
Tyler doesn't know how to use the dyno.
So what's going on?
So much suspense. Just waiting. I don't know.
Building.
It's they're doing computer things and stuff. Flaps went supersonic opening and closing. It looked like a tire, you know, when it goes backwards. I know. There's shit all over. I was like, what the hell? That's gooder than a goddamn.
Gooder than a goddamn. That did scare the shit out of me.
Dude, you jumped. I was like, oh my god.
It like hit me and I was like, duh.
You're not going to be able to use that tank because it's just going like this the
Oh,
whole time.
it was fine.
That was gold.
It's a very sudden hit.
Like these guys will run it
go up to like 12.3, 12.5.
We're also sampling one pipe.
What'd you think?
It was pretty sweet, other than all the stuff flying around everywhere.
Yeah, what the hell was that?
Just dust out of every cobweb in this place.
Yeah, I like jumped back. I was
They said
ready
you
for
jumped
it.
out of your shoes.
I was like, oh shit.
Oh, S-H-I-T.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
My one earplug wouldn't see, so. If you don't have earplugs, the proper etiquette is to take this piece of your shoulder blade, put it right here, and then wrap your hand around and hold it with this. That way you can still video. That's proper dyno etiquette.
So we're just reviewing the data from the last poll. It was pretty rich up top, so we're pulling some fuel. We pulled fuel. So we had it dialed in at like 11.0 air fuel on the first pull, and we pulled it once we were happy with that. Like it was holding its 11.0. Now we bumped it to about 11.8 on the last pull, and we also added 2 degrees to it, and the combination of those two made like 50 more wheel horsepower. So now we're kind of trimming the fuel a little more and putting a little bit more timing in it. Probably like another 2 to 3 degrees of timing, and we're just gonna see if it makes more power, I guess. And if it does, then we know we can probably even add a little more timing. If it doesn't, then we know we're probably kind of at the end of timing gains. So.
Just get it up to 650 and I'll be happy.
Yeah, we also bumped the rev limiter a little bit too. So I wanted to change the belt, but they were concerned that, so we have the $20 O'Reilly's belt on it right now. They were
Okay.
concerned that maybe it was slipping,
Oh, okay.
but it wasn't slipping.
Got
Like
it.
we're holding rock solid boost, and it's actually gaining a little bit up in RPM. Sometimes if you get belt slip on a blower, you'll see like the boost coming up, and then all of a sudden it'll start trailing off. And then you know you're slipping the belt when you get more load on the blower at high RPM. So
Oh, okay.
we're not having that problem, so we're not gonna switch the belt.
Cool.
Just keep running this one until it fails.
All right. Oh god, yeah, they're all pretty much stuck up now.
$5.50.
5.2, 5.50, made 5.11, or no. It made 51,000 foot-pounds of torque. I think the tack signal's a little goofy.
How are we doing, Tyler?
We're doing pretty good. We're gonna maybe throw another degree of timing at it.
That one's still good.
It picked up
Does the blower get cool?
25 horsepower
Touch the blower.
from 2 to 3 degrees. So we're still making like 10-ish horsepower per degree.
It's pretty good, right?
Yeah, so that's pretty good. And we added more up top, so you can see the curve there. So the dark red is our first run, and the light red is our second run. You can see from like
flapped open halfway through
like
the
100 miles an hour, we gained horsepower, but that's because we added a little extra on the big end. So we're gonna add across the board like probably just 1 degree. Huh?
What was the AFR?
Right at 11.8.
11.8. Let's try to go to 12.
Problem is,
That's all I have.
They probably had a lot left over though. Let's do one or the other. I'd rather get see if the AFR helps it, and then we can add timing after that. Because once you dial in an AFR, then you can keep adding timing. Otherwise, you're gonna chase the timing back to the AFR.
I'll pay you
Yeah.
a fucking vote for me.
It needs to get to 562, no matter what.
I wanted to get it.
I want to beat Tyler.
Just anything above 562.
I'm gonna add a degree of timing either way.
Well, he's just gonna put more ice in it.
I was telling Lucas, it's got to be at least to 600, right? Come on, got to get there.
Dude, those heads are so shitty on that engine. It's impressive that it makes 560. 550.
550.
so far.
550.
My guess was 560.
560 on the dot. Mine was 562.
Oh.
You owe me half of your winnings because you undercut me.
Not everybody even paid.
There was someone.
Yeah, like I said, we need to make sure that we have everything's transparent. So Andy's gonna check the tune one more time after Tyler gives it.
575 is my number.
Yeah, that's what I mean. So it's to your.
Was Brian 570?
What's that?
Was Brian 570?
No.
You sure?
We'll have to
Brian
check.
was right around that neighborhood.
We'll check the tape.
Brain was 586.
Oh.
It's not gonna make it
I'll
there.
tank a number.
You need
before I
to
give it to
twist
Brian.
its neck and get it past.
I will tank a number before I give it to Brian. Full 5 degrees.
Well, that's not fair either. He didn't even pay. I paid his entry.
Half the people didn't pay. There's only $8 in the pot. There's 14
Yeah, I know.
people on the board. I didn't have a one.
Well,
Yeah,
just-
everybody's gonna go MIA on Monday. I'm sick.
Wait a minute. The one thing I pitched money in for. Oh God. You can see the screen like this.
It's gotta be 562. There's no more left. It's done. Hold on. 561.63.
561.
0.63. I'm 562.
Oh yeah, for sure it's done then,
done.
right?
We gotta average the top 3 runs.
Hey, hurry! It's hurt. Hold it off.
We're
Get
done.
rid of rod knock. Let's get out of here.
There's something wrong with it.
Oh, that's a lot of condensation, but really, that's it. Dang. I thought there'd be a lot more oil than that, really. That's impressive.
We dumped this earlier when it was over at our side. Nothing in it. Water. I think the mileage is wrong.
That's what proper baffling will do there and here.
Put that on the website. Tech Tip Tuesday.
Well, 30 out. Well, yeah, it's 40 degrees outside.
Yeah.
We put ice cold water in it. All right, this thing's fun.
We'll add 1 more degree just because then we'll really know if it gained any power because of the timing.
Yeah.
And I'll just do it from 5,500 up.
You can definitely lean it out, too.
It's
That's 12.0.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
You can go to like 12.4, but...
The problem is we're on
yeah.
one cylinder, so
Yeah, that's
who knows
We
what
have
the
no
hell.
idea where the other one.
Who
At
knows
least
what the
it's number
average
7.
is?
Yeah,
but-
at least it's the worst one.
Hey, this thing makes 600. We're all smoking a Doral. First person to puke loses.
Yeah.
I'm winning.
He's been vaping the whole time.
This thing is just caked in oil in the back of it.
That's because
We're never
That thing was off?
yeah, that wasn't open. That's what's all over the window and the top of the
Oh,
blower.
nice.
This car's never
It's
getting
plugged
cleaned,
now.
is it?
No, unless
Okay,
it
good.
rains on the way down.
Yeah, good.
If it does, someone's got to hold some purple power out of the sliding rear door.
Open the back window.
One more on the left. Which means I won because he never paid me.
581.
581.
He
I
was
said
582,
585.
wasn't he?
We should put another degree in it because it liked it.
I added 1 degree up top.
She liked
only.
it.
So it gained from both, really. But look at the top where it fucking fell off.
right there.
But yeah, it's about the same, and then it falls off. Right
It started
there.
kind of breaking up.
It doesn't like the RPM, but
Yeah.
it did like the degree of timing now.
Pull a couple of hundred
probably
RPM out of his
5,
We got to put 1 more degree of timing and see if it'll hit 600.
It's a free motor. Let's go.
Man, I've put rods in the
Go!
stone before. This concrete is not flat. It goes everywhere.
It goes everywhere.
Yeah, kill it.
We have a diaper.
All right.
If it makes
All right.
that'd be great for the video.
Might
Yeah.
as well.
Picked up 1 horsepower. She's done.
Is that what you need to do?
Oh,
I'm videoing and picking it up.
Some McDangles lady. The grading.
Pick it up. Pick it up, Brady. What do you think?
I think it's the loudest 600. Oh, am I supposed to tell? It's the loudest 580 horsepower I've ever heard.
Just check those.
All right, guys. The Bald Regal performed flawlessly. It actually didn't smoke its ass off. The catch can didn't fill up. It's a win. It made 582.9 horsepower, but it's done. That's all it's gonna make. So I feel pretty good about it going into the burnout contest. Pull a couple degrees of timing out of it, and win-win. So thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next.
Oh God! Oh, now I've got to cut that.
Don't cut it.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button down below.
Party on.
Party on, Wayne.
Party on, Garth.